Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
All new 2022 Piaggio 1 Feng Chen Wang experimentation, style and electric mobility. Let's take a deep look into it. Piaggio 1 Feng Chen Wang is a special edition, customized by one of the most innovative international stylists. A distinctive interpretation of the new electric model designed for metropolitan mobility. The model and other creations. The collaboration with Feng Chen Wang also gave shape to a dedicated helmet and a capsule collection of unisex garments. Distinctive garments characterized by an overlapping of recycled materials that highlights Feng's attention to the themes of sustainability and recovery. Piaggio 1 is a recognizable e-scooter with a refined design that immediately indicates its technological nature, and the special Feng Chen Wang edition, shown at the recent edition of EICMA 2021, is further recognizable thanks to its exclusive livery. A symbiosis between Chinese tradition, given the origins of the designer born in Fujian, a province in the southeast of China, and London creativity. Specifically, the watercolor, developed by hand using the traditional Chinese brushstroke technique, includes a representation of water and a symbolic phoenix, which in Chinese mythology indicates virtue and grace. Furthermore, the green color, also visible on the saddle cover and on the wheel rims, is not only a reference to flora but to aspects such as health, prosperity and harmony, according to the indications. The exclusive Piaggio 1 Feng Chen Wang in the types Piaggio 1, speed of 45 km per hour, and Piaggio 1 Active, speed of 60 km per hour, will be offered in dealerships from February 2022, as the dedicated helmet and the Feng Fashion collection. Chen Wang for Piaggio.